Alam nyo, isa po sa mali ng Pilipino is that always, naglalagay kayo niyan. Tapos ang sabi, para magkapera, para magkapera. But it's nice to have one. Anything that symbolizes prosperity, you have to have one in ushering the new year. No? It may be a different kind of prosperity bowl, but maganda na meron kayo niyan. Alam nyo, isa po sa mali ng Pilipino is that always, naglalagay kayo niyan. Tapos ang sabi, para magkapera, para magkapera. Alam niyo po, pera by itself doesn't connote wealth. Pera by itself doesn't make you really, powerful and wealthy. So that's why I call it prosperity bowl. But it has to be for a reason. Alam niyo, maraming nag-a-adhere dyan to use itlog, bigas, basta po kung saan makaka-align kayo sa energy of what you are doing. That is the best thing po talaga to do. No? But ako, when I teach you something, one, because I've done that, it's proven. Second, sinasabi ko po sa inyo the logic behind everything.